Hello, thank you for coming to these videos again, where you can learn English vocabulary or any vocabulary that you're trying to learn. Of course, this game I like to call ABC Race. As you can see, there's two teams here. They're going to race to try to get as many of these as you can get. At the end of the race, I will count how many green and how many red. So at home, if you have even like this from Daiso, you can have a whiteboard, or you can even have this one, Etch-a-Sketch. You can practice at home with your family. You can give half the team one Etch-a-Sketch, another half, and then race each other. So this one, ABC Race, today I'm going to do food. So food. So these are my high school and junior high students. So are you ready? Are you ready to go? So food. So for example, like I said, spaghetti or pizza. So ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go, go, go! Okay, have a seat. Okay, go. Okay, go. So, into the line. Go, 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 go. Remember, help your team. If you don't know, help your team. Fish and chips, good one. You might want to come near. Hurry up, help your teammates, help. Okay, Kevin, see you next. Okay, help your teammate if they don't know. Solid, yeah, okay. Drink okay too, drink is okay. Okay, go, go. No, I don't think so. Oh, lemon juice, yeah, lemon juice, okay. Go, go, go. Help your teammates. Come on, only a few more, a few more. Yeah, you go. Go, go. There we go. Remember, drink okay too. Drink or food. Or fruit okay. Fruit or vegetable. Yogurt. Help her spell yogurt. help her spell yogurt. Okay, go, go, go.
ドリンク来たらさ、あれしよう。何がある他に？なんとかドリンクにつける。なんかある？なんかハンバーグ。空いてる？あ、どこでもいいです。どこでもいいです。ほら、失礼されちゃってるから。やべ、ダメ、そこ。食べた。どこ？買いたいんじゃろ？に買わね。
Oh, hamburger, good one. Hamburger. Okay, nobody had hamburger. Okay, 15 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds. Why 3 boys? Why are the 3 boys together? 3, 1 boy at a time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, stop. Stop. Hey, let's see. Okay, here you go. Let's check. So first of all, let's check. Red, no, misspelled red. Drink, no, too general, boo-boo. Egg roll, fish and chips, hamburger. Hey, that's close enough, hamburger. Pizza, orange. Orange juice would be good. What's this? Japanese, no. And Mac, no, that's a place. McDonald's, no. Lemon juice, KFC, also a place, no. Let's see. Ramen, okay. Zoo? Who is zoo? Okay, let's check. Green team. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Green 4.
男子使えねえな
Red 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, girls 11. Yay! Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.